make sure that individual professional players from the nooks and crannies of the country, were invited for the trials. We equally invited 2 scouts, one from Egypt and the other one from Germany. And the journey, the trial, the exercise took us to 3 locations. We were at Ibadan. We came to Akure and Lagos. So the whole trials, were concluded in Lagos about 2 weeks ago. And I want to tell the world that the exercise was very, very successful because the players we equaled because there were a lot of individual players, professional players. Some of them who have been out of contract but are still very valuable were invited, and the agents, the football agents, were very, very happy for selecting some of the best legs from the country. So as I speak with you now, 12 of them were selected, on the final note, and 6 of them are on the verge of traveling because we don't want them to just rot away here before the next window. It's going to benefit the individual players because if they secure permanent contracts with clubs, they will earn some fees, salaries, and they are, apart from the fact that their professional competence will be enhanced, they are going to become better players. They will become better players. Their means of income is going to be guaranteed because they are going to earn good money, which is going to help their families. And it's equally going to help the society because it's one of the ways of taking, people, generating employment opportunities for the people. You agree with me that one of the reasons why we set out for this goal, for this initiative, is for us to collaborate or to complement government's efforts.
We showcased most of our trials in 3 different states or locations, I might say. So we are in Akure city in Ondo State. So we are in Ado Ekiti in Ekiti State. Then likewise, we are in Lagos State for the final screening of the project in question, in which a lot of talents were discovered. So likewise, we use the means of get them or catch them young. So in order for them to be a future ambassador, at the same time to gain said and benefit a lot of things for their family and the entire rest of the world. There's age limits ranging between the age of 16 years to 25 years. So that's exactly the minimum age we set aside for all these international players. And likewise, the standard in which our scouts and our invitees are requesting for us, so that we should go beyond that age limit. So by the time they get to the rest of the world or Western world, so they should be able to have enough playing time. At the same time, they can benefit and contribute immensely to the effort and the upgrade of the national team in question. Because once a player has been above the normal age, so it will not be good to be useful to the national team. Then likewise, so for the entire world entirely.